All right, Daniel the Adjuster here. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode to teach you how to be an adjuster. Well, do you like my suntan? I'm specifically growing this tan specifically for you. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, in the summer months when it starts to get a little bit more warm outside, you're on the roofs, the sun is out. Yep, you're gonna get a little more sun. See, he's got a little tan going on. I'll show you my farmer's tan there, but yeah, this happens, guys. This is part of being an adjuster and on the roofs. Well, today I wanted to talk to you guys about all this hail that's going on. There are lots of storms and we're starting to really see hail season start to pick up. What does that mean for you? That means as a new adjuster, you can find work. As an experienced adjuster, you can maybe pick up some more work from other firms that maybe you need a little extra work to pull in. Then that's a great time to call up somebody else maybe you haven't worked for and ask them for work. Another great opportunity is to solicit them, to maybe encourage them to use you in an area that they have not actually started using that specific carrier in your area. Now, let me explain that a little more. Sometimes you'll get into a point where you'll call up a firm and you'll say, I really want to start handling so-and-so insurance claims, and they may say, well, we don't have coverage for that at this point. And you could say, well, I'm volunteering. I'd be more than happy to cover those claims for you in this area. And then what they'll do is they'll actually contact the insurance company and tell them that now they have somebody in the area that can cover those claims. It's a great way for you to become the only person handling those specific carrier claims. So keep that in mind. Also make sure that you guys are keeping up with the maintenance on your vehicle. I just put 4 new tires on my car. Didn't really want to have to do it in the middle of this time, but I did it because I went through a little bit of weather and I started to slip and slide and realized my tread was going on my tires. It was time to get those done. So keep an eye on your tires, keep your fix-a-flat available, all those things that have to do with your tires. It's real important. Hey, now make sure that you guys take advantage of the new consultation factor that I have going on. I am now doing live phone calls with you guys, 1-hour calls, for $199. That's a deal because that will be customized and tailored to your specific needs as an adjuster. So make sure you check out the link in the bio, sign up for your time, and we can talk for an hour and help you decide which way is the best route for you to go. Also, don't forget my macros. I've been seeing you guys ask a lot of questions about building estimates, and I built those macros for the whole point of speeding you through the estimate writing process. You drop that macro onto a roof system there and it will populate to every item that you can imagine that would be on a roof. You just edit them, delete how many things are not on the roof, edit how many vents or how many boots you got on there, turtle vents, satellite dishes, all those things are all listed so that you can just delete them or put in the number there is, and you are writing an estimate super fast for those roof estimates. Now, don't get discouraged if you're not getting work right away. We're coming into a very busy season of storms. I know Texas is absolutely getting hammered with hail. Florida is getting hammered with hail. We had just a recent storm, not as much as we normally do, but it does come, guys. As the weather warms up, you're gonna start to see these storms crop up. So just keep yourself available and ready to go because it'll happen. Not to mention, we have hurricane season coming up very soon, which will start to warm up the tropics and things will start to fire up for those. We got storms coming before too long at all. Now make sure you check out my other videos. I have a lot of repeat questions that are happening on my comment sections of my videos. People are asking the same questions. So it's not that I don't have a video there. There are lots of videos that explain these questions. Just dig deep into my video selection so you can have those questions answered. It might save the problem with too many repeat questions. And don't forget the Discord. We've got a great group of people over there asking some really great questions. In fact, I monitor it every once in a while, get on there and talk with these guys. And hey, the Discord is a great opportunity to answer those questions because they've already been asked many, many times, and a lot of guys are willing to help. So check it out, link is in the description as well. But anyways, you guys, be safe out there, have fun, and we'll check you on the next video. Daniel the Adjuster, trying to make you the best adjuster.